Hi, I'm Skylar. If you'd like to make Firefox download faster, check out some of the download managers which are available as add-ons. Tools, Add-ons. Click Get Add-ons. One popular such manager is Down Them All. Search for that. Here it is right at the top. Double-click it to read what they say. What stands out is a 4-fold speed increase. Pretty impressive. If you want to try it out, it's free. So in the bottom, click Install. Once it's finished installing, restart Firefox. All right, here's the Down Them All webpage, and it'll tell you how to use it. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.